Hello and welcome back. In today's video we'll be doing a slime smoothie, a video that loads of you guys have been asking for. So we're not going to be using just raw Gadget slimes. We've got the 4 different types of raw Gadget slimes, and we've got a few other slimes here that we're going to try out into the mixture as well and see how it goes. So I'm going to start with this one here. This is a pretty clear slime, and I think it will make a nice base for the smoothie. Now we're just going to keep adding loads of different slimes. I'm going to go with this one next. So this one's got jelly cubes in it. So this one's got the jelly cubes in it, one of my favourites. And that brings us to the end of our video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like and comment down below, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe, because our giveaways are starting from our next video going all the way through Christmas, when you have chances to win amazing stuff, amazing slimes, squishies and all sorts. So yeah, like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and with that said, I will see you guys later. Goodbye.